Crown jewel. This Thruxton is Tamarit's 100th custom. Turning motorcycle customization into a sustainable business isn't easy. But in Spain, one workshop has proven that passion, precision, and vision can go the distance. This is Tamarit Motorcycles' 100th custom build, a Triumph Thruxton Cafe Racer known as Jade. And instead of building it for a client, Tamarit built it for themselves. Starting with a carbureted pre-2008 Triumph Thruxton 900, the bike was stripped down completely. The engine was refreshed with upgraded valves and crankshaft, while a custom oil cooling system was seamlessly integrated into the frame. Air flows through pod filters and exits via a Zard 2-in-1 exhaust, wrapped in a handcrafted heat shield with a mesh tip. Clean, aggressive, and unmistakably Tamarit. At the rear, engineering takes center stage. An extended swing arm, a custom monoshock setup, and a Hagen rear shock transform both performance and stance. At the heart of the transformation is Tamarit's obsession with balance, where form never compromises function. A handcrafted monoshock system takes its place, braced, reinforced, and paired with a Hagen rear shock for precision control. It's not just engineering, it's architecture, turning the rear of the Thruxton into a structural statement of intent.